You finally made it here. I'm Bambi Eyes, and I'm so happy that you clicked on my channel. This is a fun loving space, and I know you're going to love it. So sit back and enjoy.
My dearest besties, I know we've been far apart for too long, and trust me, it wasn't intentional at all, and I'm sorry. So I'm actually bribing you guys with another banger. If you're seeing my face for the very first time, you already know I'm Bambi Eyes, and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe so that we get to be besties, and please turn on the bell notification when you subscribe so you get to see more and more contents from me. Hopefully. So I thought I missed this train, but I didn't miss it. Thank God. I wanted VIP, but VIP has finished. It's only their regular that is remaining. I don't like that I'm staying in regular, but it is what it is. I have to make do what I have. I don't have a choice. I had the train station is located. It's very bad. It needs maintenance. Minister of Transportation, you are highly needed. Experience, that's why. Because I'm actually going to Enugu, but I just want to have the train experience. So, train is coming, oh. It's so loud, very loud and intimidating. So everybody's trying to shift for the almighty train to come. This is long, though. It's very long. So they move gradually, then gradually it keeps us the pace. Even sell things on the train. It's not bad, it's actually convenient, and it's better off than entering a public transport or a bus, sorry, because here you don't have hold up, you don't have police checkpoints, nothing at all. It just goes smoothly, and it's very comfortable. So I want to see.
This message, don't take it for granted. Yeah? Don't take it for granted. Take one message, give everybody one message. So in case if you looking for message for, if you need that credit from me, yes, anybody can. First and right. It is called
I think this is Imo River.
Yes, it is potassium and diclofenac.
I think this is Imo River.
Burns and arthritis, 500. Burns and arthritis. Anybody care for it? Burns and arthritis. Burns and arthritis.
So we've
that is
entered Abia State.
Burns and arthritis. Burns and arthritis. Use Ritafenac. Anybody care for it?
Our ticket can be manipulated. So when the guy gives me the ticket, I suspect we need to confirm. We don't need to confirm. Even when she gives me the ticket, I suspect and I say this is the last one.
So we have gotten to Aba town. Oh, I think this is the last bus stop. I think this is the last bus stop. So it's time to come down. Let me package all my ngongo and be coming down. It was quite a sweet journey that lasted for like less than 2 hours. Because okay, let's say 2 hours. Because this journey started by after 8 and now it's after 10. So it's convenient and it's good. It's safer, it's quicker, it's everything. I'll choose train over bus anytime, any day. I think it's like the second best after plane.
I think that's
This is finer than the one that guys, and it looks modern, a bit modern. A building is not modern anywhere, but it looks well taken care of. Okay, so second stop in Araba Park. So it's time to go. Don't know, every time I'm traveling, I'm always using Peace Mask. It's time that Peace Mask makes me the influencer. So Peace Mask, please make me an influencer.